Good morning. Dustin with Doused Outdoors here. Oh boy. Here we go. Starting the day out right. Let's find a net. Holy cow. Just a little guy. Not bad to start the day here. Let's find the players and get them taken care of and back in the water. But yeah, we're gonna start out today. I woke up early. All right, so little northern pike, couple pounds here. We get them back in the water. All right, let's try that again. Keep on going. Just caught him on a little Ned rig plastic with a black jig head. This spot's been pretty good the last couple days. Northern and walleye, some bass. Haven't been recording, but we are today. It worked out pretty good, so we're gonna start the day off, do a little bit more fishing. Maybe go live on YouTube. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe so you can get notifications when we go live here and see what we can catch and see what we can do when we're live. So thanks for watching. Dustin with Doused Outdoors.